The death toll has been climbing after a series of powerful earthquakes hit the area in central Japan and vicinity. A series of building collapses and fire left dozens of people dead in the most hit Ishikawa prefecture. As more damage reports and information about people trapped continue to come in regarding other municipalities, injured were reported in Niigata, Toyama, Fukui, and Gifu prefecture due to collapsed or damaged buildings. Calling the rescue of those impacted by the earthquakes a battle against time, Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida said that the government has already dispatched a number of self-defense force troops to the impact areas and will continue to provide assistance. A series of strong earthquakes, with major ones of up to a preliminary 7.6 magnitude, hit on Monday at a shadow depth on the Noto Peninsula in Ishikawa Prefecture. The Japan Meteorological Agency has officially named it the 2024 Noto Peninsula earthquake.